Hello again, I'm Alex, and for today I show you how to create a checkbox and a progress bar in Excel. In this video I will show you step by step how to create a checkbox and a progress tracker in Excel. Follow these simple instructions. 1. Select the range where you want to add checkboxes. These ranges. Second, go to the Insert menu and select Checkbox. You can also use the shortcut key Alt and C B. In this case, all the checkboxes are true. 3-step, click in the cell where you want to add the progress view and type the following formula. Click here, equal, rept is the function, tab for activation, and for this function I have two parameters. For text, quotation, combination key Windows and semicolon, and this is emoji in Microsoft Excel. Click here, searching, and select that. Okay, close. Select, Ctrl C, click, Ctrl V, 1, 2. Close quotation, comma. For number times parameter, I use COUNTIF formula. COUNTIF, tab for activation, range. For range, select this range, comma, criteria, true. Close the parentheses and enter for validation. Okay, checked, checked, checked. I have a progress tracker in Excel right now. Click here and double click in the corner, right corner, for all lines in Excel. If you enjoyed this video, please press like. For more tutorials, press subscribe button. My name is Alex and thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.